Hello, my dear children. This is a video which is uploaded only for the sake of writing assignment of class 7th history. And in this video, I'll explain you how to write this assignment of class 7th history. Now, when we talk about the marks, earlier you people were writing test or assignment of 20 marks. Now this time it is a 50 marks. So I prepared 5 questions for you from 5 chapters. Each question consisting of 10 marks. So it is compulsory to write every question. Each and every question you have to answer, because if you are writing 2 or 3 questions only, maximum if you are completing the copy even, you will not get more than 30 marks. Okay, so you have to attempt all the questions. Each question is of 10 marks. So now when we talk about the remaining things, means where you have to write in your test copy, because we are not using test copy now. So you can write it in your test copy, and it's a small one. You can write each subject in one test copy. So in one test copy you can write history, and you can use a blue or black pen. You can color it, and you can add pictures. You can attach any more information. Whatever you are getting, you can attach in that. There is no issue in that. Now when you start writing the topics, it is not compulsory that you have to write an elaborate essay in each topic, but you have to write each and every topic. That is first question. It start like this: with respect to Delhi Sultanate, answer the following questions. It is of 10 marks. In that you have to write about slave dynasty, Khalji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty as a brief. Means it will be coming as a part of 3 chapters, and you can write its introduction. You can write slave dynasty. You can write about slave dynasty in a brief, and then you can write about the important rulers like that Khaljis and Tughlaqs. Also, you can write a small heading and you can explain about them. That is all necessary to write in that first assignment. Moving to the second one, write an essay on medieval Europe, rise of Christianity. It is the first semester syllabus. It comes in the first semester. But whatever we have studied and whatever is there in your textbook, in first 2 chapters it is there. You can write from that. The topics which you have to write under that is introduction to medieval period, Jesus Christ and his teaching, and about monasteries. Monasteries comes in the second chapter. So you can write according to that. You can check your textbook and you can write accordingly. Now the third question is write a short note on Sher Shah Suri. In that you have to write about his administration, revenue reform and military reform. Each heading you write and explain about that. Then art and architecture. Only that much is necessary to write in that third one. It is a short note question. Coming to the fourth one, write an assignment on Akbar and his time. In that you have to mention about his early life. Then you don't want to explain anything more. You can write directly religious policy and his cultural achievements. So there is his reign or about his you don't want to explain anything related to his war and conquest. That is not necessary. Whatever is asked is early life, and you can write about his religious policy and cultural achievement. Coming to the last portion, that is constitution. It is a portion which is coming under civics part. Constitution, its meaning, framing of Indian constitution, then about preamble, nature of state in brief, and objectives of the constitution. So all these things you have to mention, and it is not compulsory that you have to write a big essay on that. You can mention each and everything, but it is compulsory to mention everything. That also not in a sentence or a 1 or 2 sentence. You have to make it elaborate, and you have to mention everything. You think that it is not a question answer or a short answer, you have to write it elaborate, because it is your assignment. Now some instructions are here. compulsory to attempt all the questions. Use sufficient pictures and maps about rulers and all. You can attach their extent of their empire and maps during that time. You can use both blue and black. For that you can write question with another color, like that. You can highlighters, all these things you can use for making your assignment beautiful. There is no restriction for that. But writing, stick on to using blue or black pen. Color pen can be used for highlighting and heading and writing or marking the headings and important points. And this is the video which I want to attach, and it is not possible to send this type of videos in our school website, so it is available in our YouTube channel. You can watch through that. And yeah, if any doubts, anything related to assignment is there, you can comment in the comment box which is given below the YouTube channel, or you can ask in our school website also. Thank you.